Well, this is my new Sinew backed bow. First one I've ever made. It is a white oak board bow with sinew backing. Had a lot more reflex deflex before I backed it, but I got the new handle on. Tiller stayed good enough. I put black sort of two wraps of leather black, and then I wrapped this, I don't know, suede or whatever type of leather, and then did this baseball stitchish. And this is about a 60-pound bow at full draw. It's 48 knock to knock, so it's short. It's a short bow. Hopefully it's a short, fast hunting bow. Yeah. First shot with the sinew back bow. Oh, fuck. They sunk in pretty deep. It's only 5 feet or whatever, but damn.